All right, here we go, guys. This is the 3 mega box prestige break. Coming up next, we're gonna have 3 boxes of prestige PYT 285. So 3 boxes, and they all have 42 cards, 7 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. 3 numbered parallels per box on average. You find the ultra rare NFL drips, rookie portraits, and more. So let's see what we can do here. Good luck, everybody. We have pulled autos out of these. Should be 12 rookie cards per box on average as well. Stack, empty box. Box number 2. And our 3rd and final. Empty box number 3. Here's pack number 1. And good luck to everybody in this break. Up next after this one is our certified football hobby PYT 296. We got Alex Singleton to start off. Chris Carter. Brian Arakpo. Rookies Deontay Banks. Michael Wilson. We got Darius Slayton. And an Indie Given Sunday of Josh Allen. Get a reporter card. We have Shaq Thompson, Jalen Waddle, Keyshawn Johnson. Our rookies, we start off with Cameron Liatu for the Niners, Kendre Miller for the Saints, Sam Laporta. And we got a numbered out of 249, 60 out of 249. Youth Movement of Tyreek Hill. James Conner. Tyler Higbee. Broderick Jones. Jaden Reed. Ooh, got a redemption here. Let's set that there for a second. Got Tony Romo. And we got Alma Mater. This is Denver, Miami, and the Browns. Let's see. Denver, Miami, and the Browns. Looks like we will random this one off. Looks like we have 3 different. Let's see. There we go. We got 3 different people, so we'll random this one. It is not numbered, but that's Amari Cooper, Jerry Jeudy, and Jalen Waddle. So Denver, Miami, and Cleveland. We'll random that off. Let's see here. Let's see what this redemption is. 23 Prestige. Extra Point Signatures Red. Premium Signatures Red. Rookies Extra Point Signatures Premium Red. Card 304. Why is that not going to focus on there? That is Bijan Robinson. Bijan Robinson going to Atlanta. Nice hit for Bijan. Getting that auto. Again, those aren't guaranteed out of the boxes, so that's a nice hit. Juju Smith-Schuster for the Patriots. That's going to be out of 99. 71 out of 99. We have Zay Jones for the Jags. James Cook. Harrison Smith. Jeffrey Simmons. Emmanuel Forbes. Sam Laporta. There's Aaron Rodgers. 159 out of 599 here. We got the franchise favorites, Lawrence Taylor. Joe Mixon, Eric Dickerson, Warren Moon. We got Will McDonald and Javon Dexter for the Bears there as our rookies. Devin Duvernay. There's Kellen Winslow, Kenneth Walker, Trey Tucker, DJ Johnson, Sterling Shepard, and Justin Jefferson on the prestigious probes. Get a reporter card, box number 2, pack number 1. Denzel Ward, Dante Culpepper, Levante David. Rookie, we have Luyatu again for the Niners. We have Jay Ward that's going to the Vikings. Keon White for the Patriots. Devin Duvernay out of 149, 126 out of 149 on the green for the record. That is going to the Ravens. Reporter card. Our next pack. After this pack, we'll top load what we have. Odell Beckham Jr. Tua Tagovailoa, Baker Mayfield. We have Kendre Miller again. Tank Dell. Aaron Donald on the powerhouse for the Rams. Any given Sunday, that is Trevor Lawrence. Let's top load numbered parallels here. And we do have an alma mater, at least one that we're going to random off at the end. So stick around if you're one of those teams to the end of the break. We'll random that off. We'll also do a recap. Up next after this one is our certified hobby. So if you're waiting on certified hobby, that is coming up next. Following this one. Here we go with our next pack. We got Darnell Mooney, Jalen Ramsey, Richard Sherman, Broderick Jones, Jake Moody, Marvin Jones, Tariq Woolen for the record. Get a reporter card. Next pack. Buda Baker. We got Jack Youngblood. Trey Lance. Jaden Reed. Stetson Bennett for the Rams. Jair Alexander. We got another alma mater here. That's the Browns, the Raiders, and the Jags. And it looks like that one's going to be a random as well. So Browns, Raiders, and Jags. We'll random that. So we'll do left, right, middle randoms at the end. Random those off. We got Von Bell. Cam Akers for the Rams. Deebo Samuel. Will McDonald. Henry Chioto. Will Levis. We have Jonathan Taylor, prestigious pros, kid reporter card. Last pack out of box number 2. We're going to have a numbered powerhouse. This is Mark Andrews out of 399. 245 out of 399 going to the Rams. There's Andre Johnson. We have Mark Andrews. Khalil Mack, Plexico Burris, Javon Dexter, and Luke Shoemaker. Last box of the break. Again, certified footballs coming up next. Alex Anzalone, Cam Akers again. We got Jalen Hurts, Deontay Banks, Michael Wilson for the Cardinals, Ryan Barisi for the Saints, and numbered any given Sunday out of 249. That is going to be Tony Pollard, the blue any given Sunday out of 249. Willie Gault for the Bears. Khalil Mack. Cameron Liatu. Kendre Miller. Oh, we got some points again. 400 points. We're going to random those off to someone in the break. T. Higgins. We got the any given Sunday of Joe Mixon and a kid reporter card. We got 4 packs left. We're going to random off those alma maters. We'll random off those points here at the end as well. Out of 299. 71 out of 299 on that one. For the Steelers, that is Joey Porter Jr. Got a youth movement of Stephon Diggs. Jamal Anderson. Asante Samuel. A.J. Brown. Broderick Jones. Jaden Reed. Get these stacks back together here. A.J. Dillon's coming back to the Packers. That makes sense. Frankie Luvo. Jack Youngblood. Oh, sorry, guys. This kid reporter card. We have Cameron Hayward. Emmanuel Forbes. Sam Laporta. Derek Carr. Another alma mater. This is Denver. The Bills. And who's the other one? That's another one we will random off. And the Packers. So we got 3 alma maters. Panini points we'll random off after this. Deshaun Watson. Oh, they're not bringing him back. I see. Jimmy Garoppolo. Garrett Wilson. I wonder what they'll do at running back. They'll draft somebody or sign someone else. Will McDonald. Oops. And Javon Dexter for the Bears. Amari Toomer for the Giants. And Jalen Waddle. Last pack. We'll top load what we have. We'll do our randoms recap, and then we'll move on to the next break. Here's a Packer. There's Quay Walker. That one's going to be out of 199. 142 out of 199. On that one, Quay Walker for the Packers. Lucas Van Ness for the Packers as well. Ray Lewis. Travis Kelce. Dexter Lawrence. Trey Tucker. DJ Johnson. Let's top load these real quick. Yeah, I bet they'll have to sign or obviously they'll sign or draft someone else too. I mean, Aaron Jones is great when he's healthy, but he does get injured now. He's getting older. So you want to have somebody, and like you said, if they have faith in that going into the second year, that other running back, then might make that decision a little easier on A.J. Dillon for him. Did AJ Dillon break his hand or something at the end of the year? Because it seemed like he didn't play much in that playoff stretch. I couldn't remember. I know he's injured, but couldn't remember which injury it was. So, all right, we got the 3 alma maters. We're going to do a left, right, middle. So, the left, the Denver, the Browns. The middles are going to be Dolphins, Raiders, Packers, and the rights, we got the Browns, Jags, and Broncos there. So let me get a list randomizer pulled up here for you guys, and then we'll random off those 600 points as well, or 400 points in this one. All right, here we go. So these are for the alma maters. We got our left, right, middle. We're going to roll the dice. We're going to randomize them 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our 5th and final time, whoever's in the 1 spot, it's going to go to the right side. Right side. All right, so we have Denver getting this one, Jacksonville getting this one, and the Browns will get this alma mater. Now we're going to random off the 400 points. That'll be to everyone in the break. Will be on that list. So let's go. I'm on the screen share. Here's all 32 of your names. Again, that's coming from PYT 285. I'm going to move the screen up just a little bit. So let's roll the dice. I'm going to randomize it 3 times. 3 times for this list. 1, 2. This is our 3rd and final time. Good luck. Vegas Knights Goods will get the 400 points. So let me go here. We'll bring this down a little bit. We'll put 400 points here. All right. Let's do so Vegas Knights Goods will get 400 points back here. We got Will Levis. Mark Andrews out of 399. We got Brian Barise out of 249. Tony Pollard in Dallas with the Any Given Sunday out of 299. Joey Porter Jr. out of 199. That's Quay Walker. Lucas Van Ness. Sam Laporta. We have Tyreek Hill out of 249. Bijan Robinson on the premium red extra point signatures. Out of 99, that's Juju Smith-Schuster for the Patriots. Out of 599, Aaron Rodgers for the Jets. We got Keon White, and out of 149, Devin Duvernay for Baltimore. All right, that does it for this one. Up next, let's get the list pulled up here. Just give me one quick second. Up next is our certified 296 PYT 296 coming up next. Okay. Let me get this list up here for you guys.